Just want a thin coat of this stuff. It does not need to cover or have enough on to sand. We're not sanding it, we're just priming it, basically. Should have primed the other side first, probably. I'm gonna turn it over, what the hey. Prime this side first. My mistake, my boo-boo. Just putting primer on it to hold paint. Should always shake a can until you hear that ball rattling. Then you know you've got it shaking or it's doing its job. We'll just wait a second. Let the primer dry. It's nice for the primer here to dry because it's in the sun. Got no real flaky showing. That's a good thing. Looks like that means it's stripped pretty good. What the hey? I'm gonna throw a little paint on the back side. And I'm gonna throw paint on the back side of it. It don't need to be a bunch of it. I'm just gonna throw a little paint on it because I'm thinking just like the vinyl roof. There's no sense in me just priming it. And what I was going to do, or what I am going to do, is I'm gonna rock guard the back side. The back side of this is gonna be black, but I'm not gonna rock guard it right now because if I rock guard it right now, I'm gonna have to wait. And I wanna do the bumper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna primer this side, just splash a little paint on it, flip it over, get the other side primed and paint it, and I can tape up the front and rock guard the back later because I'm going to have to black that out. So we'll rock guard the back after, and that's what I will use for the back side is rock guard. But in all honesty, if I rock guarded it now, would be the best bet because it would be over. I wouldn't have to, tape it off. Put a little paint on it. We bought a acrylic lacquer so it dries fast and then we can get it done. We're not having the bumper it's not being painted, it's being chromed. We're putting the paint on so the Bad Chad flexible chrome or the Cal's chrome sticks better, and there's no rust underneath of it. Bumper looks better already. I think I'll mount it. I can use this as a wall hanger. I can put it on a car. I can do anything. Now, I'm not going to use all the paint in this little spray bomb because I can do another bumper with it. Probably 2 or 3 bumpers. There's lots of paint left in that. I didn't use barely any of it. Just let it dry here in the sun a little bit. We're going to do the exact same procedure. I should have actually welded those in there first. Getting a little ahead of myself. Yeah, let's go we'll go weld some bolts in that, and that way they're done. Then I don't have to burn the paint off. Alrighty, I'm a little ahead of myself, but the bumper's painted. Let's do this. Let's go and weld them in there. They're stripped. This is spring steel, so welding them in there.